how to use Homebase as an employee. So once you sign up for Homebase, you're gonna get two options, which is either the boss of your business or the employee of that boss. So what you're gonna have to do is just go to your preferred browser and just enter Homebase like so, and then go to the sign in section. It's gonna lead you to something like this. So you can see, you can put in your email address if for some reason you already have an account, but if you don't, you can press on create account like so. So here you can go ahead and start by pressing this, which is, are you an employee joining a team? So here you can sign in with your phone or email. And what you're gonna do if you are an employee, you're gonna make sure whoever is taking care of the team does add you into the team itself. So they should be able to do it over here into the team roster and then just add a team member. Over here, they can add the team members individually or bulk add team members or whichever option they have. But here is where they can put in your contact information. So you're going to have to give them your email with your phone number and then this, which is toggled to invite you to the team to join them on Homebase. You're going to have to put in your email address and you won't have a password yet. So just press on you don't know my password once you put in your email address. It's gonna ask you for an access code and it should just go directly to your Gmail. So go ahead there and get your access code of the corresponding email and then press on verify code. Right here, you're gonna have to create your new password as well, and it should include 8 characters at least and 1 letter, 1 number at least as well. And then if you are an employee, your dashboard should just look something like this. You can see your schedule, open shifts. You can even see your week, including all of this. Now, the dashboard for your Homebase, if you were just an employee, should just be pretty simple. Just some information about what you did during your work. You got schedules, your availability, timesheets if you'd like. You can message people in your team, maybe even celebrations. Take a look at announcements that has been sent to you, and even take a look at the team roster. But that is the general idea on how you use your Homebase. It's just taking a look at your schedules and basically your week or your time in your work. You can even request your time off if you like. So press on this if it's going to happen. But that's pretty much how you use Homebase as an employee. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.